Guys, welcome to our heartfelt weekly analysis for the year 2026. It's been a long holidays, and we are back, fully back, and we are better, right? We're better. So make sure turn on your notification. Make sure you watch the videos to the end, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and please share to others, even if you don't need it. Someone else might need it. So let's grow by growing people. Okay. If you are joining us for the first time, this is Heartfelt Forex Academy, where we give out a weekly analysis on the FS triads, Euro USD, GBUSD, and DSY for every week, right? Saturdays for review, and Sundays like these are for anticipation or prediction of the new trading week. Right, this is a new weekend. We want to be telling you what we are to anticipate for the new trading week. And in these videos, all we do is just, or in this channel, all we do is just to, give you the anticipation, the bias for the week, and to target 50 pips, all right, just 50 pips for the week. Sometimes setups comes once in a week. Sometimes it happens twice in a week. But most of the times we always have a setup at least once or maximum twice in a week. All right, so please don't miss out on this. It's going to help you a lot. All right, and in these setups that should give us 50 pips, you can have risk 1 to 20, right? Risk to reward of 1 to 20, or risk to reward of 1 to 10, 1 to 5. Okay, even or at least 1 to 3, depending on the stop loss, but profits are always massive if you learn to manage risk. All right, so for the just concluded trading week, it was really amazing, right? Because I always tell us that one of the areas or ways to anticipate where we are heading to, or to know when the setup presents itself, is to follow the rules. You can watch our previous videos to follow the rules. Last week was a bearish move, all right? And I said anytime there is a bearish move as our anticipated direction for the week, there are the things you have to take into consideration. Please, if you are new here, make sure you go to our previous videos and watch what was said then. I'm just repeating it and giving a recap, right? The things you have to anticipate is to make sure you wait for an SMT, right? And I said SMT can happen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Okay, and this SMT must take consideration, put into consideration the previous day high, right? The previous day high. An SMT can occur when price grab liquidity and there's a failure swing in the other one, right? We also have the sectional SMT, right? When one takes one of the section and the other one is having a failure swing from taking the liquidity of the other section, right? So if we are talking about going bearish, you have to consider where the SMT will form and you take your trade, and you should be good for the week. So last week you can see here that it was on Wednesday, all right? There was a sectional SMT here, all right? You can see that New York here took off the liquidity on Euro USD, but on GBP USD there was a failure swing. The top here is the GBP USD. There was a failure swing on GBP USD, right? Why EU took the liquidity on the London section high, right? And we took our entry on the lower time frame, and we targeted about 50 pips, and that gave us about 1 to 5, right? So that is that for the just concluded trading week. So for this new week, we are anticipating a bearish move. Okay, we're anticipating a bearish move for this trading week on Euro USD and GBP USD. So it might happen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, any of those days. two setup might present itself. So all you need to do, be patient, watch out for liquidity and take your entry. Target 50 pips. And on Saturday, we might be doing a review of how the price pan out. Don't be in a rush, be patient, and you will get the best out of this. I wish you good luck and good trading. Bye.